Hey y'all, cooking, cutting up, keeping it real. I'm getting ready to put on a pot of green beans. I'm gonna call these Drew's green beans because this is how he fixes his and I just fell in love with it. I've got 2 quarts of green beans. You can use canned, whatever you got. Hallelujah. Okay. What we're going to do is we're going to pour both of these in here. I have the bacon, about a tablespoon of bacon drippings in here. These season these things so good. I just had a fit. Everybody had a fit over them at the gender reveal. Okay, to this, we're going to add about a half a cup of brown sugar, and I'm just going to eyeball mine. If I can get the dang thing open. There we go. And you'll have to adjust this according to how many beans you're cooking. Okay. Now, I already cooked my bacon, and I'm just going to cut that up. I'm going to try to cut it up as small as I can. You can use bacon bits if you prefer. Okay. I'm going to put some garlic powder in, about a teaspoon. And then I'm going to add about a 1/4 cup of soy sauce. And that will give it plenty of saltiness. You won't need to add more salt. I'm going to add a little more water to mine. And I'm going to cook these for about 45 minutes on low. And that is how my son Drew does his green beans. Delicious. Everybody loved them. Happy Easter. Have a wonderful day, and we'll see you soon. Bye now.